Welcome to a new episode of Cooking Around. This dose is for about 6 to 8 people. Chop 100 grams of white chocolate and set aside. $300 grams of Ladyfingers Savoiardi biscuits. 500 grams of Mascarpone Cheese. 200 grams of whipping cream. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you want to prepare your own vanilla extract at home, check the link in the description. Cinnamon to your liking. 2 teaspoons of lemon honey. Use what you have. Start whipping the cream and add 50 grams of coconut milk or any other type of milk that you prefer. Whip the cream for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, leave a like and subscribe to see new recipes every week. Click on the bell to not lose any of them. At this point, add 50 grams of ground dried coconut and incorporate into the cream. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey in 500 grams of slightly warm milk. You can use any type of milk. Pour a spoon of cream in a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. 1 teaspoon of the total 50 grams of bitter cocoa powder. Soak half of the Savoiardi on the sugar-free side and turn it upside down.
Another one. Another one. And another one.
Pour half of the coconut cream and level it. Half of the 30 grams of almonds. And half of the chopped white chocolate. Repeat the steps for the second layer.
Another one. And with another.
The rest of 50 grams of cocoa powder to cover the whole surface. Almond, white chocolate, and finally dried coconut. Cover with the plastic film and put in the fridge for at least 3 hours. It will be even better the next day. Watch one of these recipes and I'll see you there. Stay hungry.